Hi guys, this is our official room tour. This is room 4208 at the Hotel Maya in downtown Long Beach. So this is the entry that you're greeted with when you enter the room. This is a double queen bedroom. As you enter the room, to your right you have a closet with a safe. You also are provided with two Hotel Maya bathrobes, ironing board, an iron, and some extra pillows. Two queen beds. You also have a charging station, radio, and of course your phone. A corner chair, nice flat screen TV, ample storage. You are also provided with a in-room refrigerator, and you are provided with a desk to do any work-related items, along with a Keurig coffee machine and Keurig K-Cup coffees. The bathroom has a unique sliding door, which you open up. This is a tub and shower combo. Your bath amenities and products. They also supply ample towels for you, hair dryer, and an in-room thermostat. Then we go out to our balcony view. Beautiful harbor view and a beautiful large balcony. This makes a great pre-cruise hotel destination. They offer a Carnival cruise special if you are cruising on a Carnival cruise. They also provide free shuttles to and from the port, AAA discount. This is their pool bar, a view of the harbor, and of course the Queen Mary, and that particular ship there is the Carnival Imagination. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our official room tour here at the Hotel Maya, which is a Hilton hotel by DoubleTree. And thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and give us a like. Thank you.